Hello guys. Today I'm going to be using three Vallejo colours, cadmium yellow, transparent orange and Van Dyke brown, along with Liquitex Naphthol crimson and Deco Art rose gold. I'm experimenting with not using any of the Liquitex pouring medium, which I usually use, but just mixing the paints with water. And I'll be pouring on a 30cm square canvas. This area of green on the left-hand side of the canvas has been troubling me since it first appeared. I've been trying to work out where the green came from, and I think it must be the cadmium yellow interacting with the Van Dyke brown. So I kept looking at it and finally decided that it just had to go. And I'm really pleased that I did remove it, because I think the painting's much better without it. One of the things I think when you're working with fluid acrylics is the number of variables are so huge that it's quite hard to improve, because you don't quite know which variable to change. And if you change several variables at once, it's hard to predict the outcome. So you're talking about the consistency of the paint, the size of the canvas, the mix of paints, the size of the puddle, the amount of white that you put on, the way you blow it out. And so I tend to just use 30cm or 20cm square canvases at the moment, to try and at least eliminate some of these variables. And then the more you do it, the more you begin to understand what's actually going on. So anyway, this painting worked out well at the end, and I'm really very pleased with it. It's different from the usual paintings that I do, but that's the way with fluid acrylics. You can never quite predict the outcome. But I'm very pleased with it. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please leave me your comments and click on like and subscribe if you enjoyed watching. Thank you very much.